It is a soothing sound. The drops of water falling from the sky, sparkling like solid diamonds until they hit the ground and shatter to thousands of pieces, maybe millions. Who knows? Who cares? The sound is all that matters. Do you know the static sounds when you are turning on dead air on TV? It almost sounds like the rain, doesn't it? Dead and empty. Is there a connection? Maybe. Maybe. Who knows? Who cares? I wander the streets at night. It could be high noon, but you wouldn't know unless you looked at your watch. And I don't have one. So, I don't know. It doesn't matter anyway. The sound of the rain is soothing and dead at the same time. Just like white noise. A dead sound. There's nothing more beautiful in this world than a dead sound. Except silence. Occasionally. To be honest, it does depend on the situation. The dirt-encrusted road stretches out before me, and I walk straight ahead. I know my final day has come. Mine and everyone else's. I look to the ground and watch the raindrops hit the hard asphalt for a few seconds. They always make the same noise. They always have. Always will. Hearing an unusual sound, I look up. I can see people. People running towards me. Their screams sound muffled in my ears as the rain hides these sounds. Where are they going? Who knows? Who cares? It doesn't matter. They haven't accepted it. They haven't accepted their demise yet. I guess part of your mind will always be optimistic. Part of you, even if you are falling down a skyscraper. Falling like the rain out of the darkened sky. Part of you will think, hey, I might survive this. But the day had to come. Mankind could not accept it. But I have. I expected and accepted it. Just like the cold raindrops rolling down my neck And some days, better days. This will be the last time I will feel them. I raise my head one last time and watch a glowing red, yellow, and orange ball raise in the distance. The rain hides most of the screams as people start dying. I can feel the heat coming, like a warm breeze in past summers. I shed one last lonely tear, accepting my fate. Feeling the heat as my skin descends from my bones and the shock wave of the man-made mass destruction object drags me into my early, wet grave. It's kind of funny. In the end, we humans are our worst nightmare. Do we really need fantasy monsters? Maybe we are the monsters. As we die, all the while, the rain just keeps falling. It keeps falling as we fade to nothing.